Welcome to Art Time. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Karina.
And today we are going to do art with leaves.
Sounds pretty interesting.
What do we need for today's art lesson, Karina?
Well, today you'll need to go outside and pick out some leaves, and they can be different types of leaves. These are some of the ones that we picked out. And then after you pick out your leaves, you'll need some piece of paper, like so, or however big a piece of paper you need, and some washable markers. Now for this craft, it's probably best to have some paper to put underneath you. Oh, and I almost forgot. You can also have some paper towels and some water, and this will come into play later.
These are the colorful leaves that we are going to try to design today.
So the first step is to take a leaf, whichever one you want to pick, and all you're going to do is grab some markers and draw on your leaf.
You want to remember to pick the side. So there's a smooth side, the front of the leaf, and then there's the back side. And this one, if you feel it, it's a little bit more rough. So you'll want to put the smooth side down on the paper, and you want to color on the back side. So pick your favorite colors.
Once you are all done, there's a few ways you can go about doing this. You would want your paper to be a little bit wet or damp. You don't want to soak your paper, but you want it to be damp enough. So what you can do is grab some paper towels like Rebecca's doing, and she's going to slowly get the paper wet a little bit. Now this just helps the leaf to stick on a little bit better.
So taking your damp washcloth, just like Karina did, you can even also just brush across, making it just a little bit damp, or pat it, either one.
Now, once you are all done and your paper is ready and you got your leaf how you want it to be, you're gonna take it and press down on the color side on the paper, and then press it down. Try not to move it too much.
I like to take my whole hand and press it all the way down on the leaf and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right,
let's take a look.
Let's see how it turned out.
With these, you can repeat this step as many times as you would like. Well, once again, we want to thank you for joining us for Art Time. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Karina. Make sure you clean up after you're done and always have fun.